Hello guys, today we paint a simple landscape with mountains, trees and rivers. We start with the sky. For this we need the inking pen. We choose a sky color like this and paint on the color lines. We get darker and darker the higher we get. Then you blend everything with the blending brush. Now only the clouds are missing. We simply paint them on with the salty watercolor brush. With the smudge wet brush you blur the clouds. Now the sky is finished. Next we make the mountain. In the info box is a link for advanced mountain tutorial. Today we will make a simple version of it. For this we create a new layer. For the mountain we use the chisel tip pen. Under the advanced brush settings you can change the rotation of the stamp. We paint on the mountains with a very dark blue color, like this. We connect the line below to fill this area with the filling tool. Now lock the layer and paint on the snow on the sunny side of the mountain with the same brush. Make small stains, but don't grind the whole surface. On the shadow side we do the same thing, with a dark blue color. With the smudge wet brush you blend the stains. Always start from the top. You can move the mountain anytime with the transformation tool. You can add some green below, using the inking pen and the blending brush. The mountain is far so finished. Now we paint with the tattoo inker the distant tree lines. Make several lines like this and get darker and darker. Now smear the last tree line with the smudge wet brush vertically. For the reflection, copy the mountain layer and flip it with the transformation tool. You can make the reflections brighter with the HSL adjustments tool. Create a new layer and apply light blue colors to the river with the inking pen. Create a new layer again, take a white color and paint along the shore with the tattoo inker. With the same brush you can create some waves, which you then blur with the smudge web brush. When you are finished, create a new layer and draw a hill with the inking pen. Like this. Next, lock the layer and shade the hill with the inking pen and the blending brush. Now open the layer again and create the grass effect with the smudge web brush. This is very simple and looks great. When you are done, just copy the hill and place it on the other side of the picture with the transformation tool. With the smudge web brush you can make the shore a little bit rougher. And with the tattoo anchor you can also go over it. And of course you can adjust the brightness of the layers anytime. Now we come to the trees. We create a new layer and paint the trunks with the tattoo anchor. Next we paint on the branches with the synthetic coarse angular brush 2. With a brighter color you can add highlights too, but pay attention to the direction of the light. When you are finished you can paint more trees or you can simply copy them. With the flow airbrush you can create shadows under the trees. Finally, grind over the shadows with the synthetic coarse angular brush 2. Finished, very simple and easy. You can of course add endless more details to it. I hope I could help you. But before I finish this video, I want to show you some YouTube channels. These people have great talents and they could use your help. Maybe you subscribe to them if you like. The links are in the video description. Thank you, goodbye.